Asphalt mixtures Gyratory design samples 59 and 60 have been packaged and are being shipped to your laboratory. The official shipping date for these samples is May 29, 2025. However, your laboratory may receive the samples before that date. On May 29th, the sample instructions and online datasheet will be released to the participants. Upon receipt of the boxes, carefully open them and check to see if the sample components were damaged in shipment or if one is missing. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or did not receive your samples by June 12, 2025, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in the sample boxes. Box 1 will contain the following items: 1 bag of 12.5 mm half-inch aggregate, 1 bag of 9.5 mm 3/8 inch aggregate, 1 bag of 4.75 mm number 4 aggregate, and 2 cans of asphalt binder. Box 2 will contain the following items: 1 bag of 2.36 mm number 8 aggregate, 1 bag of fine aggregate that is passing the 2.36 mm or number 8 sieve, and 1 bag of mineral filler. The cans of liquid asphalt and the aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch for each mixture design and 1 specimen for gyratory compaction. The butter batches will need to be split and used as the test specimens for the maximum specific gravity. The information for preparing the batches can be found on the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please follow the batching instructions with as much accuracy as possible. We recommend that the mass of the size fractions be weighed to within 0.1 gram of the masses listed in the instructions. The closing date for this round is July 24, 2025. All pertinent information, such as data sheets, sample instructions, and safety data sheets, can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.